Welcome to this exciting new series on C-sharp programming. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this series will cover everything from the basics to advanced topics. Today, we'll start with an introduction to C-sharp and the .NET framework. Let's dive in. C-sharp, pronounced C-sharp, is a modern, object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft. It was designed to be simple, powerful, and versatile, making it a great choice for building applications, from web and desktop apps to games and mobile apps. .NET is a framework developed by Microsoft that provides a runtime environment for running C-sharp applications. It includes libraries, APIs, and tools that make development easier. The latest version, .NET Core, is open source and cross-platform. C-sharp is widely used in industries such as game development with Unity, enterprise applications, cloud computing, and even AI development. Its strong typing, garbage collection, and rich libraries make it a reliable choice. To start coding in C-sharp, you'll need an integrated development environment, IDE. We recommend Visual Studio. Simply visit the official Microsoft website, download Visual Studio Community Edition, and follow the installation steps. Now, let's write our first C-sharp program. Open Visual Studio, create a new console app project, and enter the following code. Open VS Code and click on New File from top menu bar. Select C-sharp from drop-down and hit Enter. Enter the desired name of the file with C-sharp extension. Now enter your code. Save your file using Ctrl+S. Click on New Terminal from top menu bar. Go to the directory where your project is located. Enter .NET, run space your project name, and you are done. Congratulations! You just written your first C-sharp program. In the next episode, we'll explore variables, data types, and user input in C-sharp. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next video.